welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. My name is Jackie. I hope you hit that subscribe button to be notified whenever I upload a new video. Today I'm going to be sharing with you my 29th birthday get ready with me. I have been doing this for quite a few years. I think I started on my 25th birthday, so yeah, I have a few of these on my channel. I'll link the playlist and all the videos of my birthday get ready with me's down below in the description if you want to check that out. It's actually not my birthday quite yet because I'm filming this 2 days before my birthday. I've learned over the years that I shouldn't be filming the makeup process and this video on my birthday because it stresses me out having to get the content, pictures, everything, and I don't enjoy my birthday. So last year I think I did the same thing and it turns out even better, and I can also practice how I want to look on my actual birthday, like do the trial run, I guess you can say. So legitimately it makes it so much easier to do it beforehand. So this is 2 days before my birthday. I already did all that I need to do to get ready, and I'm just filming this intro for that. If you've watched any of my previous get ready with me's, I always do the intro in how I already look like. You just see the process from the beginning all the way to the end, and then I film the intro and outro when I'm done. It's just always been my thing. So I guess I'll just stop blabbering, make this intro short, and talk you through on how I got ready for my 29th birthday. So let's start from the beginning and roll the clips. First step that I added this year was doing my nails. So I did my nails, so I can show you that. I just relaxed on my bed, did a manicure, and then I put on my press-on nails. I showed you these in my haul video, which was my last video I believe, of all the stuff that I got to prep for my birthday. So these are from Shein. I thought I wasn't going to use them, but I did end up using them because they are the perfect hot pink. I love the color and the design on them. It's just I don't like how short they are. I like to be a little longer when I do my nails. But yeah, they're really pretty and I love how they turned out. Then I show you the makeup. So as I said, this is the final look. So let me roll the clips of how I got my face to look like this for my birthday. Now we start with makeup. This is just my fresh face, and the first product I'm using is the Wet n Wild Primer Serum. I love this stuff. I just rub it in and blend it into my face. I use 2 primers. The next one I'm using is the e.l.f. Putty Primer when I want my makeup to last and have a smooth base. This is what I use. So I just use the applicator and then I blend that into my skin as well. Moving on to the Milani Supercharged Eye Tint. I use this in my everyday makeup routine. It is just another step to hide my dark under eye circles, which I have trouble with. For foundation, I'm using the Milani 2-in-1 foundation in natural beige. I discovered this last year in last year's birthday get ready with me, and ever since then I loved it. It has been my go-to foundation. I love the color, everything about this foundation, so I'm using it again. Once that's all blended in with the e.l.f. Beauty Sponge, I'm taking the Wet n Wild Incognito Concealer in medium sand, I believe, and I'm just blending that in, putting it underneath my eyes because I need the help all I can get. I set my eyes with the Wet n Wild Dulce de Leche contouring palette. I use the yellow shade underneath my eyes, blend that in with a setting brush, and then I move on to contour. So I use that palette, but I also use this liquid contour. I actually use a concealer. It is the Makeup Revolution Deep Caramel concealer, and it's great. I just blend that in where I need to contour, and I use a sculpting brush and a beauty blender so everything is nice and blended. To set that liquid contour in, I use the same contouring palette and I just blend that in as well. For blush, I'm using the Rare Beauty liquid blush in Bliss, and this is my favorite blush of all time. I just blend that in. Since it's a special day, I doubled up on the blush. I'm using the e.l.f. Watermelon Blush Duo. Now we move on to brows. I'm just filling it in with the Morphe brow pencil in Cold Brew. So this is my go-to shade. I'm just filling it in with feather-like strokes and then blending it out with the spoolie on the other end. To set my brows in place, I'm using the Essence Gimme Brow in Brown, I guess is what it is, and I just went it through my brow. Now that my base is all done, I'm gonna set it with the Milani setting spray and blend it in. Now we're moving on to eyes. I'm using an eye base from Makeup Revolution, just blending it in with my ring finger and make sure it's all set in place. Then I'm using the Makeup Revolution Forever Flawless Affinity palette, and I'm using a few shades in that. So first I'm using Force, and I'm just blending it in my crease. I'm just getting that hot pink color on my lid and just blending it out. I do that as well on the other side, and I just blend it until I'm happy with how it looks. So yes, I moved on to the other side doing the same thing, and I'm doing my eyes at the same time instead of one at a time. It just depends. Then I'm wetting the brush and using the shade Bond. It is this pretty sparkly hot pink color. I love it so much, and it's like a jelly consistency. I'm not sure, but I'm just putting that on my lid on top of the blended hot pink, and I love how they look together. So then I'm taking the shade Attraction. It's a sparkly pink, and adding that as my highlight. Then I'm taking the ColourPop Cloud Spin palette and using the middle shade, and I'm just using that to add some more sparkle on top because I want my birthday look to be extra sparkly and have all that glitter. Now we're moving on to eyeliner, and this is the year that I can say that I've mastered my winged liner. I think I've done the best job I've done in all these birthday get ready with me's. So I'm really concentrating hard, and I think I've got them even and like perfect. And with my hooded eye shape, I think I've mastered how to get it to look good on my eye shape, so that's great. For mascara, I'm using this e.l.f. Lash Out Loud mascara, and it's just been my everyday go-to mascara. So I'm adding 2 layers. I'm not using lashes this year. I was just too lazy, so I'm just using my natural lashes. Back on over to highlighting, I'm using the same e.l.f. blush duo and then putting that on the high points. For lips, I'm just putting a nude lip liner on first to outline my lips, and then I'm using this Maybelline hot pink lipstick. It is pretty. I'll link the shade name down below since I forgot what it's called, but it's very pretty. Last step is to set my face one more time, fan it, and then blend it in, and I'm done. Now that the makeup is all done, I did my hair. I can use my T3 curling iron because last year I got it for my birthday, so I couldn't use it to get ready with me. So this year I got to, and this is how it turned out. My headband, and I love these waves instead of curls that I've been doing. So yeah, that is how my hair turned out for my 29th birthday, and I think I am getting better at doing my hair after all these years. So excited to use my T3 curling wand. So I'm just using the regular 1.5 inch curling wand attachment. I don't know what it's called. I comb my hair out, separate it. I've been doing my hair like this for the past, I don't know how long, but I always curl my hair for my birthday. Sometimes it's more curly, sometimes it's more wavy. This year with the wand that I used, it's more wavy than curly, and I kind of like that style, the beachy waves. And I just do that to the other side. This side is more easy for me to do, and the curls turn out so much better. I don't know why it's like that, but I just curl the rest of my hair and fluff it out. I don't comb out my curls, I just leave them alone, adding my headband, and that's it. So now the final moment, the big reveal. I am going to show you what I'm wearing for my birthday dress. You saw it in the haul, but I didn't try it on there. I kept it until this video. So here is my 29th birthday dress of 2022. I accidentally forgot to film my birthday dress and get a clip of that, but here's a picture, and you can see behind the picture and the videos I'm going to overlay, I'm struggling to take pictures with my balloons. One of them deflated, and here is my birthday get ready with me that is posted on my Instagram. So I'll link my Instagram down below. You can check out this full video. It's super cute with the music and everything, but I can't add the music over on this video. So yeah, I just placed the camera, and I got a few clips on my phone from the dress. So here is what it looks like, my bag and shoes, and I think it looks so cute and so pretty. And then here is me with the balloons again, struggling to get the pictures. I loved my birthday dress though, it was so cute. And even though I didn't get a clip of it, here's a few of what it looks like on me. And here is a boomerang of the dress, and I just love how princessy. And that was my outfit for my 29th birthday. And there you have it. That is another birthday get ready with me in the bag. I hope you enjoyed watching it. I love filming this and seeing all the looks that I've done over the years and all the products that I use, and just see if I continue the same routine. I have been doing hot pink makeup for the past I don't know how long, so that is not new, but I do try to switch up the products, the accessories, all that fun stuff. I'll be sure to link everything that I mentioned down below in the description, everything that I talked about in this video, as well as all my socials like Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok. So those are down there if you want to follow me on other platforms. Also, there will be a separate birthday vlog if you want to see what I got up to on my birthday. That is down there as well. And there you go. I'm just going to keep this outro a bit short and do it in this clothing instead of my birthday dress. That is it for another birthday get ready with me. I do hope you enjoyed watching. Please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye everyone!